Thank you so much, guys, for coming. Maraming salamat sa support nyo. Once again, Jeffrey 9, A Love to Last, sa Primetime Liga ng ABS-CBN after ang probinsya.
Ako agad, excited daw for 2017.
Oo, super. Actually, kiniklaim ko na it's going to be a good year. Kasi umpisa pa lang ng taon meron na kaming papalabas na teleserye, diba? And I know it's going to be an amazing year.
Okay. Pero, kamusta yung first taping days nyo? Kamusta yung experience?
Tapings ko with sina Kuya Ian, masaya, actually masaya. I look forward to going to work kasi nakita nyo pa na ilan pa lang kami dito nag-e-enjoy na kami. Kapag pagkabuo kami talagang chaos na katuwa. Kasi parang I feel good about it, no? About spending time with them, working with them. Kasi parang walang sore thumb, parang walang, lahat nagba-blend in, lahat nagkakasundo-sundo.
Considering na marami sa inyo first time.
Oo, ang nakatrabaho ko lang dito sa grupo na to is all of them first time nakatrabaho.
And kamusta ang holidays mo?
Masaya!
Tell us about it. With the family, with special someone?
Dito ako nagpasko, and then with my family and with some friends. Nag-misgayloto kami sa bahay.
Tradition ba yan?
Hindi, first time ko ginawa actually.
Okay.
And then, after Christmas, umalis ako, pumunta ako ng California with friends.
And why did you decide to go to California for New Year's?
Actually, last minute yun eh. Kasi I was supposed to go to Japan with my family. Kaya lang yung kapatid ko, graduate siya, tapos inabsorb na siya ng restaurant. Saan siya nag-OJT. So, he signed a contract, and so kailangan niya magtrabaho during the holidays. So, hindi kami natuloy kasi syempre yung mom ko hindi naman naalis habang nandito yung brother ko for New Year. And so, sabi ng nanay ko, dahil alam niya I'm going to be busy this year, sabi niya, after Pasko pwede ka nang umalis ha, ganyan. So, ayun, naisip ko, punta na kami ng California kasi may mga friends din kami doon. So, yeah.
Who are the friends you brought sa California?